Hello and welcome to What's New with Axway Transfer CFT. My name is Mihai and today I am going to share one of the latest Transfer CFT improvements from the June release with you. Previously, when using Google Cloud Storage with Transfer CFT, you could only push or pull files individually. However, in some cases, you may have large quantities of files to send at once. As of the June release, you can now send multiple files simultaneously, which can help increase productivity. In this demo, we are going to send a group of files from the accounting department to the HR department, which uses Google Cloud Storage to store their files. Using Flow Manager, a centralized control point for transfer applications, we can view the Transfer CFT configuration. Let's switch over to the user interface to take a look at how this feature works. I'll first show you the HR department's configuration. You can see the configuration is mapped to use GCS. Additionally, you can see the mapped working directory that is pointing to the Google Cloud Storage bucket with the bucket that I'm using for this demonstration. For the moment, the bucket has no files, just an empty folder named Files Group that we will use later in our demonstration. This field is mandatory for successfully using Google Cloud Storage as the file repository. Now let me show you how to send a group of files. Let's trigger a transfer. Let's go to the accounting CFT in the user interface. Transfers. And trigger a new transfer where we will send a group of files. Partner is HR department, IDF is Google Cloud Storage, file name is reports, and the reports is a list of files to be sent. So this is a naming convention, so when you see this character, it means that the CFT is looking inside the file, picking up all the files listed. Let's hit OK. So I see my transfer is successful. I can also check it on the Google Cloud Storage bucket. I see I have successfully transferred 3 files to the receiving CFT. I can connect to the HR department CFT UI. I can see I have successfully received the files. I see the details. And now let's see a different scenario. This time I will use the HR department CFT to send the files to accounting. Accounting, Google Cloud Storage. I will use the convention to send the entire content of the files group folder. As you can see, I have successfully sent from HR to accounting the entire content of the folder from the Google Cloud Storage. And if I refresh here, I have successfully received it. I can check out the details. I can see the files that I received. Everything's fine. For more information on implementing this and other features, please click the link below. That's it for this release. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.